Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear, today we have a good lesson about plural formation. So in last lesson we have lesson about the singular verb, but today we discuss plural formation, how we make plural verb from singular verb. So we have three main types of plural. First one sound masculine plural, mean jama muzakkar salim. Second thing we have sound feminine plural, jama muannas salim. And third one we have broken plural like jama taksir. So first we have jama masculine plural. We have some rules about jama muzakkar salim. So we can put and we can add at the end of singular verb wawnun or sometime yanun, so automatically it's make sound masculine like jama muzakkar salim. So now you can see easily here we have example muallimun. Okay, so muallimun singular verb, but muallimuna it's the plural masculine like plural verb, and at the end of muallimun we have put it waw and noon, so it's make plural verb. Okay, and we can use muallimuna for male humans only, not for female humans. Okay, next thing we have jama muannas salim like sound feminine. So also we have rules, and at the end of singular we can put alif and ta. Okay, so talibatun, but at the end and after ba we put it alif and ta, so it's made automatically like sound feminine. And feminine female student, and it's used for just female noun, not for male noun. Okay, so we have some example from the Holy Quran. First example, we have innal kafirina fi zalalim mubin. So here we have kafirin. So kafirin it's made from kafirun. Sorry, from kafirun. But at the end we put ya and noon. So automatically it's make plural verb. Plural verb. Okay. Second example, al-mu'minuna fil masjid. Al-mu'minuna, it's made from singular verb like al-mu'minu, but we put it at the end, waw and noon. Okay, third one we have al-muallimuna haziruna. Al-muallimun, muallim mean like teachers. Teachers are the present, like asatiza hazir hai. Okay. Uh, Fourth one we have وَإِنَّ يَأْجُوجَ وَمَاجُوجَ مُفْسِدُونَ فِي الْأَرْضِ. Mufsiduna, like it's made from singular verb like mufsidun, and we put it at the end of singular verb like mufsidun wawnun. Okay. Fifth one we have الطالبون مجتهدون. الطالبون مجتهدون. So الطالبون مجتهدون, مجتهدون, look at the end of مجتهدون we put it waw noon, and it's made from singular مجتهدون. مجتهدون mean mehnati, and الطالبون mean the tulaba, the student who are the struggling. The student, those are the struggling in their work, in their education, in their studying. So that's why we said الطالبون مجتهدون. Okay, sixth one we have والمؤمنات والصابرات. At the end we put it alif and ta. Alif and ta is the sign of plural verb like feminine. Okay, seventh, example of seven, yu'minuna bil ghaib. So yu'minuna, it's made from yu'minu, but at the end we put it wow and noon, so it's made like plural verb. Okay, never forget to subscribe the channel, and also if you have any questions, so you can put it your questions in the comment box, so inshallah I will give you your answer. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.